Hi friends, Corona pandemic keep on going. What is the next? What will be the next? That is a question arising in everyone's mind. What will be the condition? How many days we can extend the lockdown? Lockdown is the only option. So, as per my opinion, lockdown extension will be a severe damage to our economy. Everyone knows. Everyone facing the consequence, employees, business, any kind of trade, we all knows. But the situation right now may not be end in the method. That is very much clear. Then what will be the option? Couple of days back, ICMR released a report showing that nearly 80% of the corona positive patients are asymptomatic. That means out of say 20,000, nearly 15,000 to 16,000 patients does not showing any symptoms. Of course, death rate also it is ranging from 3 to 4 percentage. Here, one thing we want to observe: the virus is exposed easily to all those 80% people, but they didn't develop the symptom. That means our Indians, they are developing immune system against the corona also. So coronavirus also inducing the immune system to develop in peoples. That's what happening. So that is called herd immunity. I already told. So herd immunity is the only choice for us, I believe, because vaccine, that's not easy to get it as early as possible, because vaccination should undergo a lot of stages: in vitro, lab test, it should approve by the laboratory, later than animal studies, after animals, humans, volunteers, a large volume volunteers. Again, it should be a multinational. We cannot test vaccine in one country or can use in another country. Say example, vaccine tested in American peoples, we cannot take and have in India. So all the countries, different people's ethnicity, the vaccine should work. Then only it will comes as a vaccine. So initially vaccine also not possible. Then what is the option? So here you can observe the age between 20 to 50 or 45. Their immune system will be very active. Even children's immune system also very good unless they are weak. Of course, their immune system in the upper respiratory region is very good for them. That's the reason the number of children's infected counts is very less, because their airway immunity is very much good for them. Whereas same time, even adults, they are having good immunity. So exposure is the option, only option. Don't take it as in a scary way, because the virus type what we are seeing is a C type, like that studies are telling. B type in China, straight away in Western countries B type is there. In Asian countries, certain Asian countries, C type is there. That's what report shows. So in our immune system, especially Indian immune system, we are able to develop this immunity against the coronavirus. That's what it shows. Already people who are admitted in corona wards, they are all very healthy. They are not going to the critical stage. Only the comorbidity peoples like cardiac issue, organ failures, these people, and those who are having lung diseases, respiratory complications like COPD, those who are smokers are more risk, and severe asthmatic cases, peoples, those people should be very careful. They should maintain the social distance. They should also keep their hands clean, regular washing, better have to mask. These are all should be happen for next 3 4 months. But if you keep your immune system good, so this coronavirus also like other virus will infect, herd immunity will be develops. That's what going to be happen. We cannot run away every time, but we want to safeguard the senior citizens and children's especially. Extra care we should take because of this virus in the lungs biochemically altering the hemoglobin function. Hemoglobin role is carrying the oxygen. It attacks the hemoglobin in the lungs, makes the hemoglobins to break down. Hemoglobin contain iron. Iron is released. Because of that, there is a lot of free radical damages happening. So antioxidants now it's going to be help. Lot of studies are happening now. Soon the results will come. These are all based on the assumption. Also, we can able to conclude that there is an antioxidant requirement is need. The immune system required antioxidant again. Immune system, part of the immune system is mediated by antioxidants because immune system itself will produce free radical to attack the germs. From that, the free radicals should be neutralized by the antioxidants. So, better promoting our immune system with good health, that will be the only option for us right now. We cannot extend the lockdown. We cannot able to sit in a home. We want to go. Things should be go. So every pandemic, coronavirus also, corona pandemic also are passing clouds. It will pass. Only thing is how we are going to face. Senior citizens, children, they should be very careful. All of us, we should move towards that. We'll see how the herd immunity develops because vaccination takes a lot of time, maybe 1 year. After 1 year also, it may initially available to health workers first, then only will come to public. The ethnicity testing is must. The vaccine in one country cannot work in another country also. So a lot of clinical trials they will test in all countries. So these are all very important points we should keep, and we should move according to that. So herd immunity is the only option, I believe, but with hope we want to move. That is the thing right now. We want to make our immune system the best, especially for children, women, adults, especially the males. It's attacking males because the testosterone hormone always try to disrupt the immunity. Estrogen hormone, which is present in the female, always build the immunity. Of course, after the year of 45 to 50, women also more vulnerable for this because the testosterone levels comes down. So there are variation even in women also. Post-menopausal stage there will be a risk. So based on this, the overall conclusion is we want to get ready with our own immune system which can fight against the corona. Otherwise, we cannot run away from the virus. We cannot keep sitting in a home. You can't extend the lockdown. So this is the option. Have a healthy food, have a healthy lifestyle, and fight with our own immune system, which already we are having sufficiently in our community in India. Thank you.